Embedded AI Technology Catalyst Program. Are you ready to step into the future of technology? Introducing the Embedded AI Technology Catalyst Program, powered by HorizonTrax and Raphus Solutions, a power-packed journey into the world of embedded systems and AI integration. Starting 12 May 2025, this specially designed online weekend program will transform the way you see embedded technology and artificial intelligence. Across 7 intensive weekends, you'll 1. Build a strong foundation in embedded systems. 2. Master embedded C programming using tools like Keel and Proteus. 3. Learn to design real-time systems using timers and interrupts. 4. Get hands-on experience with UART, SPI, I2C, and CAN communication protocols. And that's not all. You'll explore the future with embedded AI and TinyML, building smart devices that can sense, think, and act without relying on the cloud. Create real-world projects for your portfolio, learn from a guest panel of industry experts, and earn an industry-relevant embedded systems certification that boosts your career. Seats are filling fast. Secure your spot by visiting www.HorizonTrax.com before May 7th, 2025. HorizonTrax. Learn, build, lead the future.